Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Infinix Hot 10, and this is a new mid-range flash budget phone from Infinix which is costing around 25,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, and the variant I have is a 6 GB of RAM with a 128 GB of internal storage, and also we have a MediaTek Helio G70 chipset on this phone. And I would say that this is the best gaming phone that you can buy right now in this price range. So in this video, we're gonna unbox the Infinix Hot 10 and let's see what is Infinix has to offer in this price range. And guys, on the back, we got some more specification about the phone. We have 6.78-inch 720p IPS LCD display, and also we have a 5200 mAh battery size on this phone, which is really massive on this phone. And also we have a 16 megapixel AI quad cameras on the back, DTS audio processing. And guys, on the front we got a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see. And guys, on the back we got a quad cameras on the back, as you can see. So now let's quickly unbox the Infinix Hot 10 and let's see what is Infinix has to offer in this phone. But I know that this phone, it is a really good phone in this price range. And guys, also, and the color I have moonlight jade color. And let's quickly open this box, and you can see guys, on the top we got the Infinix Hot 10, and you can see. And guys, these are the main highlighting feature about the Infinix Hot 10. And also this phone is costing around $180. So guys, you can see that this is a moonlight jade color. Now let's remove the sticker, and you can see. And guys, I have to say that on the back we got this little bit glossy finish on the back, and also back it is made up of plastic. But now let's quickly remove that as well. And guys, now let's quickly boot this phone up. And guys, now let's see what else we get inside the box and other than the phone. And guys, also we got a SIM ejection tool, and you can see, as well as a silicone case, as well as a screen protector. And you can see it is a really good feature about the Infinix Hot 10. And you can see you get a screen protector as well as the silicone case right on the box. Now let's see the ampere rating on this adapter, and you can see it is a 5 volt with a 2 ampere. It is a 10 watt normal adapter. This phone does not support fast charging. And guys, also we got this micro USB cable, no USB type C with the Infinix Hot 10. And you can see right now we don't get any USB type C cable. That's a really disappointing thing about the Infinix Hot 10. Now let's see the Infinix Hot 10, and you can see. And guys, here is the display on this phone. This phone give you a 6.7-inch 720p IPS LCD display. And guys, on the bottom we get a speaker, micro USB port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we got a SIM tray. Now let's look at the SIM tray. And guys, I want to know that what are the SIM situation on this phone. And guys, this phone gave you a dedicated micro SD card slot. You can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs. At the same time, it is a full-fledged SIM slot, which is a really good feature on this phone. And guys, also on the back we got quad cameras on the back, and you can see we have a 16 megapixel main sensor, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel for depth sensing, as well as a low light sensor on the back, which give you a much better shot in low light. And guys, also we got a fingerprint scanner on the back. And on the top we got nothing. On the right hand side we got a volume up and volume down rocker with a power on off button, and you can see. So guys, now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, here is the first boot of the Infinix Hot 10. And guys, overall I have to say, regarding the display quality, I have to say that the display, it is also really bright, I have to say. And guys, here is the notification panel. You also get a dark mode on this phone as well as a game mode. So guys, now let's go to the settings and go to the about phone. And you can see this phone, it is running on Android 10. And you can see right out the box you get Android 10, which is a really good thing. And guys, this phone gave you a 128 GB of internal storage out of 114 GB. It is available for you guys. And guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And guys, I already set up the fingerprint scanner in the setup process, and you can see. And the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone, no issue whatsoever. And guys, I am not a very big fan of this UI, but I have to say that this phone give you a day-to-day experience very smooth. I don't feel any lag while I'm using this phone. And guys, now let's look at the camera. This phone gave you a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 16 megapixel. This phone does not give you a one of the best back cameras experience in this price range, because in this price range we also get a 48 megapixel back camera. But I have to say, this is a macro mode, and you can see you can take very close up shot without any problem. Let me show you the sample, and you can see you can take very close up shot in good lighting condition. And guys, here is the video mode as well as a short video mode, and you can see. And also we have a beauty mode as well as a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur. And guys, also we have a super night mode on this phone. It is a really unique feature on this phone. And also we have a AR shot on this phone as well as a panorama and a documents, and you can see. And guys, now let's see the video recording size with the back camera. And the back camera only shoot 1440p video recording size. We don't get any 4K, but I have to say that the 1440p video recording size, it is really amazing in this price range. And guys, now let's look at the front camera. The front camera also give you a 2K video recording with the front camera as well, and you can see. And the front camera, it is a 8 megapixel, but the front camera also give you a portrait mode. And guys, I have to say that the main highlighting feature about the Infinix Hot 10 is the chipset, because the MediaTek Helio G70, it is a really good chipset in this price range. You can do some very heavy gaming on this phone. You can play the PUBG mobile game at high settings without any problem. And guys, I have to say that if you are looking a gaming phone in this price range, I would say that the Infinix Hot 10 give you a best gaming experience in this price range. And guys, also we have a 5200 mAh battery size. I know that we don't get any fast charging on this phone, but I have to say, once you charge this phone, you will get up to 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem as well. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Hot 10. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Infinix Hot 10. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.